Good afternoon, everyone. Adam here at Kinion Classic Cars in Clarence, Iowa. This afternoon, we are going to do a walk-around, startup, and a drive video for you on a 1968 Chevrolet Impala Super Sport. Now, this is a real numbers-matching Super Sport with the original window sticker, owner's manual, and a few other items of original paperwork. This car is a two-owner car with only 20,000 original miles on it. We added the torque thrust wheels to it, the 20s on the front, the 18s on the 20s on the back, the 18s on the front. What a gorgeous car. White car, black vinyl top, bucket seats, factory console. Super Sport wheel. Headliner, sail panels, package tray, rear seat, all in very, very nice shape on this car. Say 20,261 original miles on this car. Look at that crystal clear dash. I'm telling you, when you drive this car down the highway, this car runs and drives like brand new. You know you're in a 20,000 mile car when you drive this car. It's just a beautiful car. Dash is in great shape. Seats are in great shape. They sit nice. You'll be hard pressed to find a nicer car, nicer 68 Impala anywhere than this one. The chrome bumpers are very, very nice. The paint on this car is very nice too. It's all, as far as I know, it's all original paint. Spare tire, jack, trunk light even works. Jack instructions. What a gorgeous car. I think the wheels on this car just really set it off too. I think it's just gorgeous. We got the car, it had the factory steel wheels with hubcaps on it. So if anybody really likes the steel wheels and hubcaps better, they can I'll sure trade them. But I don't think that's gonna be much of a decision for anyone because these look way better. Vinyl top, excellent shape, no bubbles, no blisters. Door jambs, sill plates, the whole interior. It is a power steering car. It is a factory air conditioning car. Here we go. All original under the hood. 327 automatic. We put a new battery in it the other day. Contains the original intake manifold. Looks like the original carburetor, air cleaner, exhaust manifolds. Just an absolute incredible car. 20,000 mile car. Here's the original paperwork I have for the car. There's the owner's manual. There's the where it was sold new. Says right on there. Super Sport. Car was $4,300 new. There's the original copy of the original title. Extra key there. Just what a cool car. As I stated, I think you'd be hard pressed to find a nicer one. Look at that. Starts right up, runs like it should. Wipers work, horn works. Blower motor works. Radio is attempting to tune in a station. Left turn, right turn, bright headlight indicator. And you can tell, look at the odometer on it. It's crystal clear and the numbers are all lined up. So you can tell the miles are right on the car. That was one of the main reasons I bought this car, because the miles. License plate light, tail lights, turn signal, side markers. All 4 headlights, turn signal. I'm gonna open the hood again. I can't remember if that. Yep, AC compressor's kicked on. I felt like it was getting cold, but what a gorgeous looking car. It's got one little rock chip right here that we'll touch up, and it's got one little chip in the paint right here that I'll touch up. That's that one right there. So a couple little chips. Outside of that, just an absolute gorgeous little car. An old oil change sticker. Are you going for a ride, buddy? In here. Okay. I'm gonna price this car at $34,900. I think that's a great price for it. That air is cold. I love this car. I do. I just love, love, love it. Makes you really appreciate it too when you drive it, because this thing is just, it goes right down the road just like a new one. Where else are you going to go buy a 20,000 mile, 2-owner, 68 Impala Super Sport for $34,900? I mean, I hope people don't overlook this car, because this car is a great one. You can drive this car with one finger down the road. Drive this car with my knee. It drives so good. The only thing I see, the clock isn't working. I don't know. I have to check a fuse. Maybe it's got a blown fuse for the clock, because everything else in the car works. I don't know why that don't. I mean, even the door panels, they're all SS, Super Sport Dash, Super Sport there. I mean, it's a real deal car. Obviously, got a window sticker that proves it. I mean, I'm not telling you that the 68 might not be the most popular year of the Impala Super Sport, but come on, where are you gonna go find one any nicer? Awesome car. Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa, 563-452-2450. www.kinionauto.com, KINION-auto.com. We buy, sell, and trade classic cars, muscle cars, and specialty inventory every day. So give us a call if you want to purchase this gorgeous 68 Impala Super Sport, 327 automatic, power steering, factory ice cold air, bucket seats, factory console, original paperwork, and two-owner 20,000-mile car. I just think that is so cool. 20,000-mile car. There's my buddy with the Hemi 67 GTX that I'd like to get my hands on. Car runs good. Probably got a quarter tank of fuel in it. Probably needs me to put some 110 race fuel in it. I try to do that with a lot of these cars. Just put a few gallon of 110 in them, just kind of clean them out. You know, they sit around and, you know, sometimes the carburetor fuel system can get gunked up. So I try to do that with most of these cars. Just makes them run so much better, so much crisper. See how nice the paint is on this car. Look at this thing, original paint, and it's that nice. Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa, again, 563-452-2450, KinionAuto.com. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel by hitting that little red subscribe button. And those of you who have already hit that little red button, we really appreciate that. It helps us better our business, helps better serve our customers. That's all that matters. We love these old cars. We love making connections with people, and we love making friends. And yes, we have to make money as well to keep the lights on, folks, but I really appreciate it. Have a great afternoon, and I'll talk to you guys soon.